In this video, I'm going to teach you how to ship orders in TikTok Shop. So in order to do that, you first need to head over right here into your TikTok Shop Seller Center. Once we're in there, you can see right here this left sidebar. You can see that there's a lot of things to know on this left sidebar right here. But for this case, what we need to do is we just need to click on this orders option. Now, this will open right here this new drop down. So make sure to choose right here this manage orders instead of manage returns or after sale settings, since those are all for after sales as well. Click on manage orders. And from there, you can see this. You should be able to see the ship options. And from there, you can just head over and click on the order, print the way bill, pack the actual product, and send it to your chosen courier. And once you have done that, you should be able to ship the order that has been made on your TikTok shop. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.